Good morning. 2:30. I'm up and at 'em already. I went to bed pretty early. I'm having trouble with my audio yesterday. For some reason, I'm going to have to figure that out. I don't know. I'm going to have to do something. I just hope it doesn't cost money. I'm not going to lose. I'm going to figure something. Man, I made some really good barbecued pulled pork yesterday. And I started completely different than I do normally. I usually just break down my roast with a rub on it, pork rub, and basics like garlic and salt and pepper and onion powder. Maybe put some onion in it. But this I started different. I did the same seasonings, but this particular one, I started off with a whole can of diced chilies and tomatoes, Rotel, and just let it bake all day. Then I fried it all up, right? Made sure it had enough broth. I poured that Kroger brand sweet and spicy barbecue sauce, whole thing of it. Poured it over top of it. I just let it simmer real low. Let it simmer on low for a couple hours. Man, it came out good. I got these really nice buns too, like burger buns. Sliced them. Oh my God, they came out good. I got a bunch left too, man. I just turned it off. I had it on warm. I turned it off about 45 minutes ago. Let it cool down, and then we'll bag it up in freezer bags. I think I have enough to put like a freezer bag up in the freezer, and then some in the refrigerator. So then whenever I want a sandwich, real quick. What is it, Monday? Yep. We start a new week. Sure is. Where'd that weekend go, man? It just flew by. I ended up doing exactly everything the way I wasn't going to do it yesterday. I had to play radio most of the time. The audio was terrible. I couldn't get, for some reason, my app wasn't working good. For my TV client, it was real low, audio-wise. But if you put on the radio, like I've got now, put on iHeart, I listen to mostly talk radio, like I am right now, coast to coast, and it works just fine. It was perfect in the chat room, but you go over to the TV hot, or whatever, TV main, or whatever the hell that is, it just doesn't work very good. It's slow, the audio. I'm going to have to figure it out. Maybe there's something I need to go over it to my client and see if maybe they're recommending a new TV app or something I'm not aware of. All right, everybody. I'm gonna sit here, drink some beers. Listen to my show. I'll be going to the chat room in a little while. Everybody have a good afternoon. Hopefully you can get some sleep. I've been sleeping early. I'm waking up about this time every day, or 1 or 2, and then staying up for a while, and then get a couple more hours in the morning. Let me go chase some of these girls around on these dating sites and whisper sweet nothings to them. Bye.